all of you and a very good morning to all of you. I hope that you are fine at your home. Stay home, stay safe and stay healthy. Student, we will discuss the science subject today. You know that there are three main branches of science. These are number one chemistry, number two physics, and number three biology. I myself Ajay Saraswat, I will teach you chemistry. In chemistry, there are five chapters. These are number one chemical reactions and equations. Number two acids, bases, and salt. Number three metals and non-metals. Chapter 4 is carbon and its compound, and number 5 is periodic classification of elements. Student, I will I will teach you today first chapter of chemistry, some important topics. Starting topics of first chapter, chemical reaction and equations. Students, now I will discuss about chemical reaction and equation. First of all, what are chemical reaction? Chemical reactions are the process in which some known substances react with each other to form new substances. The properties of the new substances are entirely different from the known substances. Let us take some examples of chemical reaction. First, Zn plus twice HCl, zinc plus hydrochloric acid react with each other to form ZnCl2 plus hydrogen gas. This is exothermic reaction. The temperature is also increases during this reaction and a gas hydrogen will be evolved. Next example is twice H2 plus O2. Hydrogen gas react with oxygen to form twice H2O. Third example, twice Mg plus O2 get twice MgO. These are the some examples of chemical reaction in which left hand side, the substances kept in left hand side are reactants and the substances kept at right hand side are the products. Students, we have studied chemical changes and physical changes in class 9. What are physical changes? Physical changes are those changes in which no new substances are formed, whereas chemical changes are those changes in which new substances are formed. So we can say that chemical changes are chemical reactions. Now we will discuss about the symptoms of chemical reaction. How can we recognize, how can we identify that chemical reaction has been taken place? So we will now discuss about the symptoms of chemical reaction. Yes, student, what are the symptoms of a chemical reaction? Number one, change in state of reactants. In a chemical reaction, the state of reactants will be changed. Number two, change in color. It may be take place in some chemical reaction. Number 3, change in temperature, exothermic or endothermic. Temperature increases or decreases during the reaction. Evolution of gas. In some reaction, a gas is evolved. And number 5, change in smell. It also occur in some reaction, the smell is changed. So these are the symptoms of a chemical reaction. Now we will discuss about chemical equation. What is chemical equation? Chemical equation is the symbolic representation of a chemical reaction with the help of symbols and formulae of different reactants and products. In a chemical equation, the reactants are kept at left hand side with positive sign and reactants are kept at right hand side with positive sign. An arrow pointing towards the product hand side is kept between reactant and products. Now we take some example. For example, N2 nitrogen plus hydrogen 3H2 thrice molecule of hydrogen react with each other to form two molecule of ammonia NH3. Here nitrogen and hydrogen are the reactants and ammonia is product. So these are the reactants and this is the product, and an arrow pointing towards the product hand side is put between reactant and product. In another example, Zn plus S twice HCl, Zn plus 2HCl gives ZnCl2 plus H2. Zinc and hydrochloric acid are reactants while zinc chloride and hydrogen gas is product, and an arrow pointing towards the product hand side is put between the reactants and products. Chemical equations may be three types. Kind of chemical equation. These are number 1 Bird equation, number 2 skeletal equation, number 3 valence equation. Now we discuss kinds of chemical equation. Kinds of a chemical equation. First of all, number 1 Bird equation. In Bird equation, suppose we take example of rusting of iron. When iron particles react with water, it will form iron oxide and hydrogen gas will be born. Bird equation, iron react with water, it will form iron oxide plus hydrogen. When the reactants and products are represented by birds, then the equation is called Bird equation. Second, skeletal equation. When we translate the symbol of these substances, for example Fe for iron, symbol of iron is Fe plus H2O gives Fe3O4 plus H2. This is skeletal equation because elements or atoms in both the side, reactant side as well as product hand side, are not equal, are not same. Here in reactant side only one atom of Fe, but in product side three atoms of Fe. In reactant side only one atom of oxygen, but in Fe3O4 there are four atoms of oxygen. Hydrogen is balanced in this reaction. So we will balance this equation. 3Fe plus 4H2O gives Fe3O4 plus 4 to the 8H2. Then we write 4H2. Now we check the reaction. 3 atoms of Fe in reactant side, 3 atoms of Fe in product side, 4 atom of oxygen in water molecule, and 4 atoms of oxygen atoms in Fe3O4. 4 to the 8 atoms of hydrogen in reactant side, 4 to the 8 atoms of 4 to the 8 atoms of hydrogen in product hand side. This is balanced equation. So first equation is Bird equation. Second equation is skeletal equation, unbalanced equation. Third equation is balanced equation. Okay. Then question arises, why chemical equation should be balanced? Student, you have studied in class 9 law of conservation of mass. What is the law of conservation of mass? Mass can neither be created nor be destroyed during a chemical reaction. So the masses of all the reactants are equal to the masses of all the products. Now